Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, this is Salah Hadi. As in the previous video, I taught you about how to make a program, how to make a logic of some simple Python programs. But now, today I will teach you how to make a logic of some complicated Python programs. Today our program is to find out the type of triangle. First of all, you have to take an input, must be integer. So we write integer, input, enter, oh, sorry, enter first enter first and then the second side for second side and same integer input enter second angle. Now for the third side, integer input enter third angle. Now, now we have taken the input. Now we have to make a logic that if this, we all know that the sum of all the three sides of triangle angle is 180. All the three sides of triangle, all the three angles of triangle is 180. Now you have to make a logic. First logic is if the x plus y, sorry, x plus y plus z. Now this sign means not equal. This sign means not equals. It means that if x plus y plus z is not equal to 180, then it means it is not a triangle. And print no triangle. Now you have to make another condition, elif if x is not equal to y not equal to z, sorry, and x plus y plus z is equal to 180. So that if x is not equal to y and y not equal to z, but the sum of all the three angles of triangle is 180, it must be there, so that it is a triangle. But when the x is not equal to y and y is not equal to z, it is a scalene triangle. Print scalene triangle. Now we have to make another condition, that elif x double is equal, I think double is equal to means we are now comparing it, that x is double equal to y is equal to z, and the same condition here, y plus z equal to 180. x is equal to y and y is equal to z, then it is an equilateral triangle. But unless but the sum of all the three sides of angle must be 180, then it's a triangle. This condition is necessary. Equilateral, understand, equilateral triangle. And the only condition left is use as tint isosceles. Isosceles triangle. Now, no mistake, I hope. Oh, sorry, mistake somewhere else. There's this mistake. Oh, sorry. We have to write double is equal because we are comparing it. Now here, same for here. Comparing it. Now I'll run. I'll write 30, 90, 90. It will bring no triangle because the sum of all three sides of triangle is not 180. It's greater than 180. Now I'll write 60, 60, 60. It's an equilateral triangle. Or now I'll write now wait, oh sorry, 180. I'll check 75, 75, make it 150. Now 30. I saw the same. So okay, we'll go back now. 75. Now in another program, I will teach you how to generate a multiplication table. First of all, and how to make a logic of a multiplication table. First of all, you have to take an input and then it must be integer, so that we have to write input here and enter your number, for which you have to generate the multiplication table. Now it's okay for it, for that. Now I will make a range I will name it I in range. The range function will help us to print the number in which that range is given number of times. Like if we give the range 1, 11, it will generate a table until 10. If we give the range 16, it will generate a table of until 15. But I write here 11 and the now print use print function x comma in inverted commas multiply. It's a very easy program. Then I, because we have stored this in I, that's why I use I here, and then again inverted comma is equal to comma use x into I. Now I write here 5. See, it's a very easy program. If you want more videos, then subscribe my channel. And if you want to make logic of some more complicated programs, send me on my email. I will help you soon. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.